Hello viewers, here is a Vernco 14-inch 2-speed metal box VN. This is one of the first metal box VNs I had in my collection, and I've gotten quite a bit of use out of this thing over the years. I used to use it in the bedroom quite regularly. The low speed was perfect for sleeping. It's in remarkably good condition, and despite having used it in the window for so long, the plastic is not that yellowed. It's still pretty good. I mean, it is starting to show its age, but it's not too bad. Don't use it in the window during the day anymore, that's for sure. Blades are a very nice blue color, typical like 1970s color blue. I don't know exactly how old this is. It could be older than that. It could be into the 60s. It's got one of these plugs on it. It's got a rubber handle, and it's still intact. Works just fine. I try to avoid using the handle, though I'm sure the material in there isn't quite as strong as it used to be. The informations are kind of covered up on the motor. I'm not going to be able to read that. Desk. See if I can get it from the front. It's got oil ports. If I could move the blade a little bit, perhaps I can see that. Ah, there we go. The model number is, looks like it's going to be 1S42071. Maybe? 1.6 amps. There's probably a shaded pole motor. I don't think there's a capacitor in here now. Let's see. It's 2-speed and has 2 off positions, which is kind of odd. It's got the thing for the stand, and there's that information on there. I don't know what that is. Well, let's go ahead and turn this thing on and see how it runs. Haven't used it in a while, so the bearings may be a little bit stiff. I don't know. Let's see. I'll put this into the kilowatt meter here to see how much power it really draws. So we'll start off on low. It's drawing 0.75 amps down to 7.4 amps. Very, very calm, quiet low, which is why I like it so much. And it's an excellent balance. Almost flawless balance, which is kind of unusual for these older metal fans. They're usually a little bit out of balance. I'm surprised it's as balanced as it is, because the hub does not look completely centered on there. Doesn't look completely symmetric, so I'm surprised it's balanced, but it is. It runs perfectly smooth. Now looks like we're stable at 0.74 amps. And it's moving a nice breeze too. Really good amount of air for the noise. It's a perfect bedroom fan. Alright, let's go up to high. It would be nice if this had a medium, because it's quite a change from low to high. Still perfect balance. Really, it's perfect. You can't feel any vibration. And that's 1.64 amps. really throwing out some air now. That's serious airflow. Not that loud, especially compared to the plastic bladed junk we get today. And off. Always used to take a while to come to a stop, and I suspect it probably still will. Yeah, looks like the bearings are in pretty good condition still. You know, they probably could use some fresh oil.